Hey everyone, it's me, Road Warrior 72. Just wanted to kind of pop in and do a real quick video, let you guys know I'm still alive. It's kind of the winter time around here in Indiana. It's like, I don't know, 40 some right now. I'm outside without a jacket, but it was 0 degrees this morning, and it was like 11 degrees last night. Anyway, pretty soon I'm gonna start kicking up, making videos again to get prepped for the first event that I'm going to do this year, which is with Riverside Drift. I've never been to any of their events, but first one is in April, and then I've got the first Drift Indy event in March, and we'll keep going from there. I have a few things that I need to do to the car to get it ready, but it's nothing major. I mean, it's the sensor for the AFR gauge, and maybe like a few other small, stupid, random things, oil change, I don't know. With the SR20, the car's running great. So, glad enough. Anyway, stick around, stick with me, and yeah, have a good one.